What is up, Flomies? I'm Julianna, and today I'm here to teach you how to do the 5-beat color switch. It's across, you're doing it across your body, and you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Prerequisites for this move would be a horizontal figure 8, you're doing a stall, and then you're coming down into a U-spin or a 2-beat drop spin. So to start, we're gonna go across our body and we're gonna bring the Flowstar up and around. So 1, 2. And so the Flowstar is gonna do a full rotation out, and then your hand is gonna be up here. The Flowstar should be up here. And then when you drop your wrist, you're gonna bring your wrist down. So you're gonna be up here, your wrist is gonna come out, and you're gonna go 1, 2. When you release the Flowstar, it's gonna be getting released on the outside of your hand, so be sure to kind of pull in your pinky finger and your ring finger just to keep it clean. That second spin is just to keep the Flowstar on a vertical plane when you do the 2-beat drop spin. So again, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That stall up in the air is going to be your 3rd beat. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, up here. And when we get down here, we're gonna just drop our wrist and 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just to show you from this side, so you can see what my hands are doing across my body. It's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is how you do the 5-beat crossover color switch. If you like today's tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us for more. Happy flowing.